Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape key fob battery. First, you'll want to identify your specific key fob model, as some variations exist. Most Ford Escape key fobs use a CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell type. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool to open the casing. Make sure you have a new battery ready before you begin. Now, let's get to opening the key fob. Many Ford key fobs have a small slot or seam along the edge, often near where a physical key would be. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob, such as lock, unlock, and remote start, to confirm everything is working correctly. If you need a new battery or other car accessories, check the description for links and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.